song that summer sings, maybe the tale that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of the day. She may be the beauty of the best, maybe the fun of the face, may turn its day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in his dream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. Seems so hard in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud. No one's allowed to see him when he cries. She never the love that cannot hope to last, become to me from shadows of the past, that I'll remember till the day I die. She never the reason I survive, the why I work for I'm alive, the one I give for to the rock and reach me. I felt her laughter and her tears, I need in all my souvenirs, for where she goes I got to be, the meaning of my life is here.